Hello guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to solve another HackerRank problem which is known as staircase. So say it's a simple problem, staircase details are provided and we have to print the hash character in form of which looks like a stair. So this is the input which is given, but if just notice that first at one time one for first row one time it is printed, for second row two times, three row third times, and fourth four times. So this n is a variable 4 which will be provided as an input and we have to write the code. But if you closely look into the stair problems, that there are three elements which are blank. Okay, so the first hash is printed on the fourth location and it seems like that hash is being printed at the end. There is a white space padding in the begin, so that this white space padding look will create a illusion of being a staircases. So it's a simple problem and let's start coding. So first of all what we'll do is that we write a for loop and the n value is given, and what we are going to do is we are going to run that loop n times and print. So straight away writing the code for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Then I'm going to create a string res and I'll declare a helper function get padded string, or let's keep it as get padded string. Okay, I'll just pass yes n minus I and I. So you see I'm creating this helper function, and each value of I, if you see, if I'm passing this hash function as first, what I'm going to do is that the first there will be three padded strings and one time hash will be printed. Similarly, two padded and two white spaces and two strings, then one white space and three, and then 0. So I'm creating a helper function here which will do this logic, and I'm going to print system.out.print res. Now let's define our helper function here, which is public static string. Obviously I want to return a string variable, and I'll copy the method name from here, define int as n and int as k, two different variables which will be giving me the location. So now I have to create a padded string. So first of all, the best thing is that we'll use the Java class string buffer, so that every time we don't need to create a new string, we'll just append in the string buffer new string buffer. That's it. Now let's run my loop. Int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, sp dot append blank. So as I mentioned, there will be two parts, like here, like three strings, one print k, and two padded strings. So I need two white spaces and two hash strings. So this function, this for loop will be responsible for giving me the white space part. Okay, so I'm doing a left padding. I'm appending the white spaces. Then I'll have another loop, like which will be giving me how many times I will be adding hash, and this will be run by k. keys, the positions like 1 2 3 single. For the first loop we'll have one single k, for 2 there will be 2 single k. So that's how this loop will be running. After that I'll have one return sb dot to string. I hope you get the logic why I'm running two for loop. One loop is for white space and another loop is for k. And let's run the code. Okay, there is something wrong. Okay, it's complaining about. So usually like I code a lot in other languages where semicolon is not mandatory, and you know, every time when I switch to Java, this complains. Okay, what's happening? Okay, it will be great if Java HackerRank start giving suggestions about the compilation issues when we are writing the code, like when we do coding in an ID like Eclipse or Spring STS. Again, what did I do? Okay, string buffer. I hope this time it compiles. So it is printing, but it is not printing in a line. Next line. Okay, so here I mixed the println, and that's what I did. I think I made a mistake here. So what I'll do is I'll put when every time a row is printed, it goes to the next line. Run code. Yes, now you see the beautiful staircases has been printed. Let's submit the code to see all the test cases pass. Definitely, so all other test cases have passed successfully. So I hope you like this video, and guys, if you have any other solution for this problem, because I see two for loops, if there is any other solution which we can solve in a single loop, it will be great. So if you have any solution, just post it on the comment, just and let me know about that particular solution, since I am not aware of any other solution for this problem right now. And do share, like this video, keep coming in your post, your comments, and subscribe to my channel, and I will be bringing more awesome videos, HackerRank solutions for you guys. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.